We're all checked in, guys. Number 48. I haven't got the key, so I hope Laura lets me in.
Welcome.
That's a good start to the little room tour, isn't it? Although I don't know what you got on your chest.
It's the floor from my dinosaur.
Oh my god. So here's our little room, guys. The bed. Got a little bedside table. It's actually quite comfy. I sat on it a minute ago. Obviously our bags are everywhere, as we just checked in.
There was 2 beds in here.
I like what they've done with the towels.
It's a butterfly.
If you annoy me, you'll be sleeping here. We've got robes and slippers. That's a cool little area. Your lights.
Little lightage.
Little desk area. Didn't even notice this when she showed us around. Nice big mirror. We'll go outside last. That's like the best part. Your TV, some storage underneath. We have a little kitchen area. I think in here was, all your essentials, cups, cutlery, kettle, or some of the cutlery. Under here is not a lot. And right in here, we have our own fridge and freezer. She said there's a supermarket literally 2-minute walk from here.
They don't provide water.
They don't provide water.
Facilities for lunch and dinner.
So they only serve breakfast.
Yes.
So lunch and dinner, obviously, we either eat out or bring stuff back, which is handy. The wardrobes. You got a safe, some drawers, coat hangers. Perfect for what we need. I like as well, I'm just noticing this, there are plug sockets everywhere. There's even one here, like in the hallway area. There's one there, there's 2 over there, there's one there, there's a few by the bed. There's a lot. We just haven't got a lot of adapters. And then we walk through here into the bathroom. Hairdryer out on the wall. A couple of mirrors. I love this sink. They give you loads of stuff here. Shower gel, body lotion, hair lotion, conditioner, shower cap, soap. Got the whole lot. Toilet. And then behind me is a nice walk-in shower. I don't know where the light is.
Oh.
Otherwise I would put it on. Hang on, this might be it. Hey! There it is. I like this. It's got like a sauna feel. The bathroom's cool.
It's nice.
Very nice. And then should we go outside?
We have our own little outdoor area.
Have our own little balcony.
We do, with a view of the mountain.
Oh my god, I can't open the door. Oh, lift it. Oh my god, what have I done?
Now full.
Oh, Jesus.
It's been a long day.
It has been a long day.
View.
We got a couple of lounges, so if we don't want to socialise, we can literally just walk out of our bed, through a door, and we're in the sun. A couple of chairs. We have a, what did she call this?
Whoa.
Like a whirlpool. It's basically a jacuzzi, right?
But it's cold.
It is cold, it's not heated, which, by the way, is very warm out here, so that doesn't bother me in the slightest.
The view.
And then the view of the mountains, I don't think the camera does this justice, but the view's incredible. Let me try to stand up, get a bit higher. Look at this. It's actually stunning. This part of the world is stunning. It's so chill and peaceful. Everyone's friendly. Taxi driver was very good.
Picking us up in 45 minutes.
Yeah, we need to get changed, get ready, and then we're going to dinner at Pac-Man.
At Pac-Man.
At the top of the island, and we're at the bottom. Please get that top off. It's so dirty.
My dinosaur floor. This is what it is. My dinosaur.
That's what's making her like that, apparently. Anyway, we need to get changed
We do.
and get out of here. But if you like the room tour, guys, please drop a like. If you've got any questions about the hotel or the room, then leave us a comment. But for now, we'll see you at our next hotel, which will be Mykonos.